Hi guys, now we are back with the second part of our verbs with the t sound. So I hope you enjoyed the first part, which was about the same sound, the t sound. So this one, you'll keep on learning about more verbs that have the t sound. So pay attention, make sure you learn them. And remember, this video is made just because we want you guys to learn the correct pronunciations of the verbs, with the simple past tense, sounds, which are verbs that are kind of very difficult for a lot of students, a lot of learners of the language. So make sure you learn the next list that's coming up. Make sure you share it. Make sure you practice them, and make sure while you're watching the video you can pause it in order for you to listen to the correct pronunciation. We just don't want you to watch the video just for watching, but we want you to learn while watching the video. You can use this video most of the time, for your, in order for you to correct your pronunciation, your id or your t pronunciation, so that you guys can speak English clearly and people can understand you. So watch this video, and after watching, remember to activate the bell, you subscribe, remember to comment, and also share the video to let people know about it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Verbs ending in S or SE.
Mist, mist.
Blessed, blessed. Confessed, confessed. Focused, focused. Messed, messed. Guest, guest. Verbs ending in CK. Locked, locked. Checked, checked. Attacked, attacked. Smacked, smacked. Racked, racked. Cracked, cracked. Verbs ending in X. Fixed, fixed. Mixed, mixed. Taxed, taxed. Relaxed, relaxed. Unboxed, unboxed. Annexed, annexed.
Verbs ending in P. Helped, helped. Dropped, dropped. Wrapped, wrapped. Sharped, sharped. Hoped, hoped. Stabbed, stabbed.